What I have said is that I have not ambition at all. I feel myself sincerely. I don't ambition power, money, nothing.
My thoughts are almost exactly. I'm a simple man for the most part, so I can relate, with the exceptions. I want a few things out of life. One of those things are just being able to do what I want upon a rhythm. It's simple. I see how them want it, I see how I want spit, I see how I want sit, now 16, they linking a spiffy clean shot, I see how I want intervene, beg your pardon a party. This is what spitting it is, them laughing to rot it, giving me a list of wicked, yeah that is, tell me this invisible script, where y'all call it the prison rhythm, regardless still, me none of the arguing thing, all them want do is win, at any cost, so may be careful when me telling ya, see them killers broke down and beg a brass, so me blasting past it, blasting crosses, stop for a minute where Ross is flossing, Titty is jumping, rock with me darling, pretty young thing where your posse have one with, fuck with a nigga, hustle is attractive, me love every stripper and them big money around me, they are sing swing song and bouncy, this one you're roasting, your brave crew or die too, quicks and you found it, even if them find you, me not blame you, do the same to your life fool, my yo man a soldier, how are this sky juice from my shoulder, baby I'm blood if you pay me enough, foreign danger my thugs, that stain is love, straight up, straight up, straight up, straight. Niggas want hate us, me tell them back. Come raised in Jamaica, mind power so like it race in Vegas. Grind for your money, baby, save your paper. Time is coming when your face is later. And when you all undone, you're the pervert that makes you want own a gun. Cause your check said the girl who your son. She and a your girl that can't afford her son. A story that's more than love. It just seems hella minute. Trust me, me see it from a brother point of view. So me I gotta tell my mother, say her daughter dance for $25 in father. So would you wait till you feel rejuvenated? Her face it now you, she's naked. My suggest, you know, just guess. We only give a fuck when the subject fresh like brand new clothes. Let me get the upset, goddamn you hoes make no fucking sense. But they make dollars on the shutters, then follow. On the shutters, then follow. Tell them squander every dollar, me attacking every corner. Roll me a spliff again. Where you want go? Forward, show me where's a different ends. I make me split the pay for them. When me split the dividends, then me have to dip again. I will up on your picnic friends, some other tell them say I got that plan, so me have to move on. Me not they have for too long. So want anything, you a guy hell with me, fucking up my vibe. Me look into the eye of the beast, and all the I see, and nothing but me, I brought down weed. House away, fleas, W-E. Now feel the need for you, and puff my stuff is unique. So rock with me, this is for Bob Spirit. Food for the souls of Jack Pitness. If you want to escape to Rock City, then hear them prophecy. Them say all y'all niggas is lost. Call y'all pillars of salt. Not even dinner for your dog. Last time me asked my pastor, all I got people are sinners, not them past. So all the blood clot, hallelujah. Pray to make the dog start shoot ya. Me no want a blood-bad future, I'ma just want $2. My music blazing parents, I use it to pray for your dear when me apex cannibal warrior family. Now feel ramshack your village and damage it. Say me have to promise me gangster, say me I go lead by example. Really I no want to, really when me want do is simply irresponsible. See enemies as people and pop, you know.